Brand new Glock 26 Generation 3. Comes in the factory Glock case. OD green color. Comes with 2 magazines. It's already been checked. It's brand new. It's empty. Speed loader. 10-round magazine for this subcompact Glock. Comes with a cleaning brush. Safety lock. Manuals. Safety info. Overall feels really good. Subcompact, Generation 3, 9mm. $10-round magazine. OD green. Fits really well in the palm of my hand. Factory Glock sights. Comes apart like all other Glocks. Small spring. Small barrel. Metal slide. In my state, I believe a black slide is a must, so it can't be all OD green. I've read that this thing wears over time and you could just buy a replacement spring when it's necessary. And fits like that. Slides back in. Slides back in. This is it. Glock 26 stock, OD green, Generation 3, 2021 purchase. Feels really good, except I'm gonna get extended magazine for the pinky. Otherwise, looking forward to trying it. Won't be making much modifications to it. Probably some night sights, maybe a Talon grip, an extension for the magazine so my pinky has something to hold on to. And that's pretty much it. And probably a laser light combo. It doesn't come with a rail like the bigger Glock 17 or 19, but there are lights that actually fit this and use the trigger guard as the place to hold on to. And that's really it. Nice little Glock. In my state, I believe the slide has to be black. It can't be all OD green, but it looks good, feels good. Can't wait to try it out. And yeah, that's it. 2021 purchase, about $609 before taxes and fees. Fits the palm of my hand. And that's it. Comes with a speed loader, second magazine, smooth trigger like all Glocks, and that's it. Thanks for watching.